ENO is dedicated to the research and development of aroma products and is a professional trading manufacturer specializing in scented candles, natural essential oils, reed diffusers, and fragrance sprays. ENO's perfume team has developed 2,000 proprietary fragrance profiles to date. The company owns a 5,000 square meters modern industrial park equipped with 5 standardized production lines, covering multiple product categories including scented candles, reed diffusers, fragrance sprays, and essential oils, with a daily production capacity exceeding 30,000 units. Packaging is completed according to international shipping standards, with long-term exports worldwide. ENO features dedicated product display areas as well as certification and trophy showcases, holding multiple international certifications including ISO, SGS, and MSDS. Relying on an experienced professional team, ENO serves over 1,000 global clients every year, continuously providing reliable one-stop fragrance solutions for brands, distributors, and cross-border sellers. We warmly welcome you to collaborate with us.